is our 3 T's lesson. This is going to be one of the most important lessons you will ever learn at this academy, and you absolutely need to know this information. So why do we train martial arts? Well, one, it's a lot of fun, right? But martial arts were created in order to learn how to defend ourselves. And it's important that when we have the knowledge of the martial arts and of jiu-jitsu and wrestling, we also have to have the knowledge of when we are supposed to use it. Okay? If we are being verbally attacked by a bully, maybe they're calling us a mean name or they're saying something about our family, that's not enough for us to physically attack them. But if we are being verbally attacked, we're going to go through these 3 steps that we call the 3 T steps. The first thing that we need to do is we need to talk to that bully. And we need to talk to them respectfully. So even though they're disrespecting us, we're not going to stoop down to their level. We are going to respectfully and confidently tell them to stop. Well, how can we do it confidently? 1, we can make eye contact. 2, we can have good body posture. And 3, we can say what we're wanting to say firmly. So if a bully came up to you and was trying to verbally attack you, saying something to you that you didn't like, you would say, "I don't appreciate you talking to me that way. You need to stop right now." Now, our next step is tell. If the bully won't stop after you tried to talk to them, our next step is to try to find a parent or a teacher. And if we have the ability to find our mom or dad or a teacher, we need to tell them. And that's not being a tattletale, because you already told this person to stop and they are not. So we're going to try to find some help. But maybe there's no parents around. Maybe there's no teachers around. So what do we do next? Well, I never want you to try to punch or kick or elbow strike a bully. You could actually really hurt your hand, and you could do permanent damage to them by breaking their nose or busting up their lip. There could be blood, and you could probably get in a lot of trouble, especially if this was at school. But if you were able to control the situation by tackling the bully, this would allow you to bring them down to the ground, make sure that they didn't hurt you or themselves, and you would be able to tell them to stop. So our 3rd T is to tackle. If the grown-ups can't solve it, tackle the bully mentally with verbal jiu-jitsu, and if they become physically aggressive, tackle them physically with Gracie Jiu-Jitsu. So these are your 3 T's. First, we talk to them and tell them to stop. Second, we tell a parent or a teacher. And 3rd, if they are going to physically attack us, we tackle them down to the ground. Always remember your 3 T's: talk, tell, tackle.